Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to clean some filthy dirty black paint. Now we're out here today with the daily driver E39 BMW. Now this thing seriously gets neglected. It was left outside for several weeks at the airport. Now this thing had rain and nasty stuff cover the whole entire car. As you can see, the paint is filthy. There's even a fat bird poop on it because this thing was not in a parking structure. It was actually left outside just in a lot. So that means planes were flying over it, industrial pollution was landing on it. This thing looks filthy dirty, and I'm going to show you how to clean it off today using zero water with one of my favorite products that we manufacture. And this is our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Now this is the best way to wash your car using zero water. It's so easy to use. It even works on filthy dirty cars just like this. So this is one of our best products, and I'm going to show you guys how well it works on this filthy dirty BMW. Now you can pick up everything we use in this video right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. So let's get going. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a big piece of tape right down the middle of this hood, or on the trunk and the window. So I'm going to put it right down the middle, and we're going to clean the glass and the paintwork. So we're going to clean both items right here today because this works on every area of the vehicle. So I'm going to put the tape on, and we'll see you in a moment. So now I put a big piece of tape right down the middle of the trunk and the window. Now this way we can get a good before and after to show you guys how well our product really works. Now this thing takes off the heaviest dirt. So you can use it on off-road vehicles, you can use it on show cars, you can use it on daily drivers, motorcycles, RVs, even boats. I mean, this stuff is truly amazing. So what we're gonna do is shake it up. Now you wanna shake up the product first. That's gonna activate the cleaners in here. This is a truly environmentally friendly eco product. So that means it uses all natural cleaners and then a synthetic sealant, which is gonna clean the paint and give a nice super gloss. So you wanna shake it, mix it all together, and then we're ready to roll. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the glass and I'm gonna spray the paint. There we go. Check that out. Now our product is a nice green color, and that allows you to see the product. And then also it has anti-drip technology. You notice it's not sliding off as much. Now if you spray it on too much, you're gonna be good to go. So once it starts moving a little bit, that means it removed the dirt. You notice right here it's moving a little bit. That means the dirt is grabbed into the product and we're ready to start removing it. Now this is diluted down 1 to 1. I'm also gonna spray it on my bird dropping right there. And then let's go ahead and clean the paint. So I'm gonna take my first microfiber towel. We'll start on the paint first, and then I'm gonna wipe in one direction. Look how easily it pulled up that bird dropping. That's amazing, right? I'm gonna roll my wrist and make sure that we get the best job cleaning this car. There we go. Now if you have a bird dropping right here with a little extra bird poop, go ahead and flip the towel over and just go ahead and wipe it a little bit. There we go, because there might be extra contamination on the paint that we need to remove. There we go. Now once we've cleaned off all of the dirt from the surface, there we go, got all the dirt on there, we're gonna take our secondary microfiber towel and we're just gonna buff it off. There we go. Now since all the dirt is gone, we're not removing any dirt, we can just give it a light buff. And what we're doing is removing the sealant. Now we have sealant on this paintwork now because our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine cleans, it shines, and it protects. So it has eco-friendly cleaners, shine enhancers, and sealant. And the sealant's gonna protect the car. It's anti-static, so it's not gonna give any static cling to the car. It's not gonna attract dust. And already, this paint's looking fantastic. I'm gonna move up to the top now. I'm gonna flip my towel over to a clean side. There we go, and I'm gonna wipe in one direction. Look how easy it cleans the glass. No need for glass cleaner here. One product does it all. There we go. Now I'm gonna flip my towel over to a clean side on my drying towel and then just give it a good buff. There we go, and look at the glass just go perfect. I mean, this gives streak-free glass every time. So it's gonna work on wheels, it's gonna work on glass, chrome, aluminum, stainless steel, everything. And what this is gonna do is first remove all of the dirt and grime without scratching. No scratches with Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. That's because the lubricant inside of our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, it really does lubricate the surface and it lifts the dirt. Because what you're doing is you're lifting the dirt without using water. You don't need water to wash a car anymore. This is the future. You don't need to go and get a bucket and fill it with water, because what happens is water does not provide enough lubrication for a towel or a wash mitt to glide over the surface. That's why you need the soap. Soap is what gives the lubrication. But now we have new synthetic lubricants, like in our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, and this stuff feels slick, and it really does give a super high gloss shine. Now this is a neglected daily driver car, has over 250,000 miles on the clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the tape off, and we'll show you how well it cleaned this old paint. There we go. Let's take the tape off. There we go. Look at the difference right there. Man, I hope you guys can see that. This is truly amazing. Let's pull those towels off. We got a streak-free shine on this vehicle, and we didn't even use water. That's the best part. We didn't have to get out a bucket and hose. We didn't have to get out our soap. We just used one product, our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, and we really did get the best results. Check that out. Now the black paint is clean, no dirt, no grime, and the gloss enhancers inside of the product really did give a super black shine. Now this is an old car. This has over 250,000 miles on the clock. And this paint is weathered. It's sat outside most of its life, but we were able to bring back that shine and really make it look amazing. Once again, check that out. We'll do a before and after, let you guys take that in. That truly is amazing. We have the deep black color, and then you have this before side, which has water spots, dirt, mud. There was bird poop on there. I mean, everything was on this car. This is a great example of how great our products work with our Masterson's Car Care Waterless Wash and Shine. Now, thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys like this video. You truly see how easy it is to wash a car using zero water. And if you want to pick up the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Go ahead and click down in the description of this video. There's gonna be a discount code where you can pick up everything at a discount on our website. Save yourself some money, get the best products made right here in the USA. If you wanna check out more videos like this, go hop over to our YouTube channel and click subscribe and check out all the other videos we have right here on our YouTube channel. Everything from detailing the car waterless, to detailing anything from motorcycles, to cleaning interiors, everything and anything, and the tips from the pros right here on our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for viewing, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.